Avenue Beach, and presenting for the first time the Bell Textron 429 Global Ranger. This is a light, twin-engine, single-pilot IFR helicopter loaded with specialized equipment. The aircraft seen today was part of that federally funded program designed specifically to help out major cities, and especially with the DNC here in Chicago. And this is going to be added and integrated to the existing fleet of Bell products. The Bell 206 Long Ranger that's been here since '93, the Jet Ranger, the B3, and the Bell UH-1 Huey. For those of you who were out here at the practice session, you saw that yesterday. So we're getting that parade pass going from the south to the north along the show line here. This aircraft supports officers on the ground in all manner of law enforcement and homeland security duties, and to fulfill chemical, biological, radiological, nuclear, and explosive terrorism prevention response and remediation roles in the urban environment. So that's a pretty tall order, folks. They use night vision goggles. They have night vision capable aircraft lighting inside and out. You've got a powerful searchlight on this, booming map display, thermal imaging camera, touchscreen video, VHF and UHF communications. There's even a blue light on the belly and a loud hailer siren, so they'll go ahead and turn those things on and go screaming up the shoreline here in just a minute. Also microwave downlink in order to help out with communications, both video and audio at the scenes. The flight deck has two positions up front. I think the aircraft actually going to go back to, I think we're going to get one more pass, as a matter of fact, than being told. Just soak in that big Bell 429 out there. Look at that. That's a twin-engine aircraft. It's got a brand new paint job, big number system on there, the Archangel down close to it, on a beautiful Chicago day here at North Avenue Beach. The Chicago Police Cook County Sheriff's Helicopter Task Force was established in 2006 and now consists of 4 helicopters. This is one of them. The fleet includes the Bell 206, the Jet Ranger, the Long Ranger, Twin Huey, and now Bell 429 Global Ranger. So that's where you go ahead and Bell 429. The 429 feature today is crewed by flight members Sean Piazza, Anthony Pansley, and James Gosley. So they're going to go ahead and turn her around, and then they'll be heading back. I believe they're going to go all the way down to 95th Street. Chicago Mayor Brandon Johnson and the 11,900 sworn officers of the Chicago Police Department. Thank you for watching today's demonstration of CN Powered by your Chicago Police Department. Have a safe day. Enjoy the show. Turn your space is yours. Thank you very much, Chris Howard.
The F-35B is a multinational effort consisting of 8 partner nations. It's currently flown by the United States Marine Corps, the United States Navy, the United States Air Force.
And we have a small fleet of them.
U.S. Navy doesn't buy them. You have an extra soda.
I said military.
Hey, do we have an extra soda?
They got it overhead.
I could feel the ground shaking. It's loud. How's it stealth?
Stealth fighter. Very small engine.
The thing is, they're not doing that. They can't turn that on.
Stop banging, they go back.
He has a weapon on him. He has a weapon.
Again, most advanced fucking plane on the planet right now. Okay. My issue
The
with the
F-35 Quick Strike Fighter. And there's a Department of Defense program for the next generation strike aircraft weapon systems that will bring the Navy in addition to its impressive stealth capabilities, the F-35B goes low
What's
at
funny is
maximum afterburner.
we created,
We have the best
we
fifth
created
and
the,
sixth gen aircraft.
yep. And the only
The F-35 possesses the most powerful comprehensive integrated sensor package of any fighter. U.S. Air Force A-10s and F-16s, Royal Navy F-18s, U.S. Marine Corps DB-8Bs, F-18s, U-6Bs. These capable of conducting extreme maneuvers in the vertical with the advanced fifth-generation flight controls, referred to as claws, as seen with the F-22 Raptor and F-35B.
F-22 Raptor?
On the right, the pilot's going to demonstrate fifth-generation advanced flight controls as he displays the full right rudder and give you about 2 flips through the sky. terminal button. You're going to see an upper lift fan door open on the top of the aircraft. Then if you switch, you might be able to see the exhaust doors underneath the aircraft behind the canopy. And then the tailpipe rotates down.
No, you're not Chicago if you don't know what you're doing.
During up to 40,000 pounds of thrust. This capability to conduct vertical landing operations still allows the F-35B to operate from impended ships to provide additional flexibility for the steering pilots.
One of those are like F-16. One of those can do it.
He's trying to talk to you.
It's not fire.